Hello students, so in this video we will discuss about computer and its usage. In the previous two videos we have already discussed about computer and amazing machine and computer its part. So in this video we will discuss about computer and its usage and various activities which we can do on the computers. So first activity, we can play games on a computer. You can play games like cricket, chess, racing, basketball, etc. on the computer. So for that, you have to just, if you wanted to play a game on computer, so you have to press start button, and then you can move up to, in Windows 10 there is a option of Xbox, or you can simply go into the sports section. Like if I have click over here, so a window will open, right? This window will open and you can play games. This game is free of cost, and if you wanted to play some games from internet, might be that be chargeable, so you can play game from there only. So you can play games as well. Next activity which you can perform on a computer system, that is solving sums. A computer system can be used to solve different arithmetical and logical operations, like if you wanted to add two numbers or subtract two numbers. So all the calculations you can perform through the inbuilt calculator which comes with the operating system Windows, any version of Windows. So for opening calculator you have to click on start button. Next you have to move into all apps, and then you can move into the calculator section. So through that you can move into the calculator as well, right? So this section you will be in calculator, you can use it, right? I'm just clicking over calculator. These are the options. Here you can use different here is the sign of multiplication, subtraction, addition. So you can use calculator as well in a computer system. Third activity which you can perform with the help of computer, you can listen to music, you can watch a movie as well. So you can do you can all do with your computer system. You can by default there is an DVD player, and the name is Windows Media Player. So you can just watch any movie in that video, right? Now if you are talking about various uses of computers, so these are the places where computers are used, like in school. So computers are used for teaching in school, and computers are also used for preparing mark sheet, and computers are used in the office of school as well for collecting your fee and maintaining the records, that which boy is coming from which bus number, and all the records, all the basic details of the every students had separately stored in our computer system. So computers are helpful in the school as well. Computers are very helpful in home as well, and computers are used for making projects and doing homework, and you can write letters and stories as well on a computer system. If you ever visited on a railway station or any airport, so you can also see their use of computers, and computer is used for booking tickets at railway station and airport as well. So you can see there are different pictures, and they are showing that the receptionist is checking the availability of seats with the help of computers. So nowadays computers are helpful in all the other places as well. We can perform like if you wanted to make any kind of drawing, so there are so many applications like MS Paint, Tux Paint, and you can make drawing as well on the computer system. So with the help of these softwares. Sending an email, yes, it is a very basic work which often used by computers, that sending the emails or sending any kind of message from one place to another place. So email is stand for electronic mail, and it is the fastest medium to transfer any message from one place to another place, and it is very cheap as well. So these are the some different functions which can perform by the computer system. So in this chapter we have learned that a computer is a very useful machine and it helps us to do many things. Computers can be used to draw and color picture. You can watch movie on a computer. Computers are used to send and receive messages. A computer can be used to solve problems, arithmetical problems, right? Here I am giving you some questions which are related to this chapter. First question is, find out at least 3 places where the computers are used. So you have to write 3 places where computers are used in the answer. Second question is, name any 4 activities that you do on your computer. So you have to mention 4 activities which you can do with the help of computer. Third question is, what is the use of computers at school? In a school, what is the use of computers? And fourth question is, write one use of computers at home. So these are the 4 questions which are related to this chapter and you have to solve and your notebook. This is the homework. So thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow I will come with an interactive video. So thank you.